It's what Jason Tatum was told. It's what Chris Paul and Jaylen Brown and Jimmy Butler were told, along with the entire NBA. Multi-millionaire athletes, buffered by a multi-billion-dollar league, dismissed as menial malcontents. In spite of their philanthropy, their community service, their tireless efforts, still, they were told to shut up. Thank God they didn't listen. Because in today's ruling, where only one officer, not three, was indicted by a grand jury on 3 counts of wanton endangerment, not murder, of Breonna Taylor, we don't need to wonder any longer why the NBA community has been joined by the likes of numerous NFL players like Jamal Adams, a tennis star like Naomi Osaka, a NASCAR star like Bubba Wallace, or even millions of Americans. Most folks already know. But what about the rest? Is it really necessary to remind everyone that Miss Taylor was a 26-year-old EMT worker? That the search warrant to her home wasn't for her, but for an ex-boyfriend who wasn't even there? Is it necessary to remind everyone that the charges handed down today were not with respect to the 6 bullets that actually struck and killed Breonna Taylor, but with respect to bullets that hit windows and walls and sheer air? Is that enough evidence to validate the cries that Black Lives Matter? Do we get it now? Because when LeBron and CP3 and Jaylen Brown and Malcolm Brogdon and all these NBA stars work diligently to bring attention to the plight of African Americans in this country, these are the kind of things they were actually talking about. A police warrant, but there's no footage, no videos. 194 days went by before any officers were charged. And when only one is charged, it's essentially for recklessness, having absolutely positively nothing to do with Breonna Taylor's death. So if you happen to watch the game tonight and you witness tears trickling down the face of one of these NBA players, take a moment to understand. The tears they shed, the pain in their eyes, are not just for themselves. It's for the lives everyone sees, but don't appear to care too much about. Assuming you ever mattered at all.